Hi everyone! Today is the day that I will be proposing to Gia. I would like to thank her family and my family for all the love and support they've given us. Without further ado, I'd like to share this moment with you. Today will be the day that I will be proposing to Gia. I've been planning this for months and now I'm super duper nervous. I hope she likes my surprise. I love you so much. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. And if you will give me the chance. You finally get to see the ring? Will you marry me? Sorry, yes.